You just got done using the bathroom. You know the water not on, right?
Yeah, the siren thing on this.
Oh yeah, let me look at it. Here go the closet. And here go the vanity, double vanity you already shown. Everything's cleaned up. Yep. That room in here. What's that? Oh, that's a radio, right? You said a siren thing. It might be a siren.
Look at these water valves. Do that quick turn though. I want to see one of those every time we clean this thing.
Water bug. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's crazy. Let me zoom in on that. Who you on? Who you on? That's crazy. You doing it with your hand. You're nasty, dude. If you line up to support this, let's see if we get done with it, please. See the real person. Done.
Man, where are you at? Where you think that?
Sure. Stuff in the mirror. It has silicone, it's just not as good as you do.
Yeah, well, 20 years
And at this point, you want to cover up the drains that are open now, because for one, smells can come in, odors that can make you pass out. On top of that, it can also have bugs that start coming up through the dry drains since no water is in there. That had to happen before, so I'm warning you in advance.
This a master?
Sorry, I'm black too.
Wade in the water, wade in the water,
There we go.
children.
It looks like you're just looking at the same thing in the camera.
Top it out, buddy.
See, that's what makes it funny. People keep doing stuff like that. It's him.
Ooh, whoa. I was trying to show it to the camera. They didn't even cut it. They didn't even cut it.
All right, so here we're gonna take out this tub right here. So we got the interior designer gonna take out the tub. The first thing you do is take that little flat part off right there with a flat head. Long screw right there. Pull that off. Pull that clear thing off.
You serious?
Wait, that says she ain't ready before we keep laughing. That says we already.
I was waiting on you to pause it.
Now we gotta take those screws out.
Mike, I mean, Roy, you supposed to be my husband.
Push force behind the drill.
Okay.
And you got one more that's gonna be long also. All right, you gonna twist that silver part off?
Yes.
Uh-huh. All right, that's it. That's all you need to do for right now. And then now you need to get the tub spot below you.
Take this out.
Twist left, hard. Yeah, dump sticking out. Like grandma booty.
What smells?
So it says counterclockwise. Does that help? You twisting, Brittany, or pulling?
Yeah, you did.
I can't do it.
All right, let me get in there. Are you getting in there?
Can't do it.
You still pulling, Brittany?
Oh, all right. What the?
You was pulling, I did.
Oh, she thought that was left, but you pulled it back. So it's just a threaded part on there. It's just a threaded part on there. It's stupid. I'm glad they don't want me. This is a tub overfill. What she about to get off right here? Slide to the right a little bit, Brittany. Toward right. Push force behind the drill.
Oh, okay.
All right, that's good.
I'll put it back in there.
No, you didn't. You can't put it back in here.
Go back in. Definitely put it back in. Great.
It was back in.
Don't.
Oh, Lord. Why is it going back in?
She's like Alexis. All right. The next thing you're gonna get is the tub spout. That's the thing below you put where the water drain to. So you're gonna get the tube where you're getting right there. Put it in, you know,
Like
yeah.
this?
Yeah. That's gonna be a hard twist. We might have to go get that one. But
Stand up.
Stand up.
it's gonna lock in
How do you know if it's locked?
Twist it.
because it won't go left.
Okay.
It won't like go counterclockwise. If you're looking at clock counterclockwise.
Oh, down.
Okay. Twist it?
Yeah. Yeah, we knew that. We knew that was gonna happen. Get in there, Ryan.
Hold on, wait.
No, you fell off the locks.
Okay. Whew. That's why I got my muscle foot. It's my muscle man. Get daddy.
To see if you need your brother-in-law muscles.
Get daddy. This house is 60 years old. 3.
Yeah.
We ain't got it. That thing ain't even on.
He gonna say you can pause the video.
Alright, so what I did when you got, I think they call these monkey wrenches. Put this on here on top.
Oh, you broke it.
Oh, okay. Alright. So you're gonna put the canopy.
What is the quarter?
That's good.
No, let's go, keep going. Watch out, Rick. All right, so we're gonna do that side right there, but remember that wall has insulation behind it, so it's gonna be a little bit different. But go ahead, try it. Just pull it, it's okay. Not the insulation,
Not the insulation.
yeah. So only the part where the drywall is at. So now you see where the insulation is?
Oh, that's insulation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pull hard, wiggle it, and you.
It's not gonna mess with the window seal, right?
Nah.
Toward the
All right, there you go. You got the whole. Let's show the camera. You got the whole side off real quick. You in the way.
Me?
Get it. Get it. All right, you just got that side. Go.
I flipped that.
Go. All right, so what we're about to do now is screws in the middle of this. We're gonna take these screws out and the silicone that's holding it. And then we're gonna do some cutting around the tops of it, on all around the sides, take the shower head off and get this demoed. Pop, drink your liquid. Okay, that camel done with her drink. Come on, cow. Let's see. Let's have a little talk here. So what you see me about to do now, I'm going to remove this wall. But to remove any wall, I suggest you get a structural engineer or a general contractor who also need a structural engineer, not just a general contractor, to let you know if you need to remove this wall or not. So do it at your own risk. And just to give you a little insight, most times, not saying you should do it, but most times if the wall has no wall on top of it where it's bearing the load of the ceiling or another floor above it, it's safe to remove the wall normally. So it have ceiling joists or floor joists. That's what you'll see above it. So if you see the floor joists running a parallel way or adjacent to what it's sitting on top of, I always found it better to remove the studs with either a sawzall like you see me using now or a circular saw to split it down the middle. Then you'll use leverage to remove the remaining pieces of the wall to get it out very easily. And so for the rest of the video, you're gonna see me mapping out how I'm gonna take out this shower surround, which I just mark a line across the top. Then I cut the drywall above it. Normally the flange for the shower enclosure is about the size of my level. It's smaller than my level, but it gives me enough room to cut that out. And then my towel is gonna go right there. So you're gonna see later on in the future videos, me using the go board, putting in towels, doing everything to the bathroom that you'll wanna see. So stay by for the future videos and hope you enjoyed this video and like and subscribe to the rest of my videos. Some type of nailing area like that for down here. So you'll have to take these out. You normally put these in. That's pretty good clips to keep the tub down. Haven't seen them use it that much. All right, that's all out. Tub and shower surround took me about 5 minutes to do. So let's get that edge cleaned up and move on. The next video is gonna be about me painting and putting the floors down. So you wanna paint first and then put your floors down, then it'd be almost like the finishing touches. And I'm gonna be using a spray painter throughout this whole house, which is gonna show you that it takes me about, like once I get everything prepped for the whole entire 3,000 square feet house, it take me maybe like 45 minutes.